Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with Szechuan chicken. Okay, so this is 500 grams of chicken topping with 5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and then 2 tablespoons of chili tomato ketchup. You can make it vice versa as well by taking 5 tablespoons of chili tomato ketchup and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, depending on how spicy you want your Szechuan chicken to be. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's give it a good mix. There, it's all nicely coated. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of crushed dried red chilies, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can use Kashmiri red chili for a better color, and salt. Be careful while adding the salt because the soy sauce contains salt, so just add a little bit and then check as you go, and you can add if you want. Toss it up well so that all the chicken pieces are coated evenly, and now you can close it and cook it over medium flame for about 5 minutes, or let's say until the chicken oozes out its water. Now let's add in the diced capsicum. There you can see most of the water has come out of the chicken. Now I'll be adding these diced capsicum along with it and let it cook in that same water. You might want to keep the flame at medium low now so that everything gets cooked up nicely. Now if you feel it's a bit too dry, you can add a little bit of water and then cook the chicken. Cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes or until your chicken is cooked properly. There, everything seems to be cooked nicely now. At this point, if you want to have a more gravy type of Szechuan chicken, you can add corn flour mixed in water at this point and then cook that for another 5 minutes, and then you will have a gooey gravy to add on to this. But I enjoy it this way with a little bit of sauce. That's how I like it. And I don't enjoy the gooiness in the curry, so I just stick to this. Now you need to add a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, but I have skipped this step because it makes it way too spicy. So there you have it, guys. Szechuan chicken ready to spice up your dinner. Thank you for watching, and do stay tuned to my channel as I have more recipes coming up next week.